Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to Side Hustle Magic. My name's Simon. On this channel, we discuss different ways to accelerate your side hustle to a six-figure dream job. Um, as always, please visit 858consulting.com for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our founder experts. Today, I am going to be doing a quick video on how to set up an LLC. We've had previous videos about why you should have an LLC. That today we're going to just show you really quickly how that works. It's a simple process. Hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to Google. Just type in IRS EIN application online. EIN is employer identification number. Very important. Do not click on the sponsored ones. They look just like the official IRS website. You fill it out, you spend like 20 minutes doing it, whatever. And then they charge you like 20, 30, $40 to get an EIN number, which guess what? You can get it for free. Go to IRS, make sure it's irs.gov, apply for EIN online. Okay, click on that. You're going to get to this page, and all you need is scroll down, look for this blue button, apply online now. You click on that. You say, okay. You begin your application. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to choose limited liability company, LLC. Click continue again. And how many members? If it's just yourself, you put one. If you have the partners, you put two, whatever. Um, choose your state. Now you can choose whatever state you want. I mean, there's a lot of discussions about people going to Delaware or Nevada. I like to just choose a state where I reside in because you're gonna have to file there anyways. For payroll taxes. So just to make it all easier, just choose a state. I'll choose that. Next, okay, so this is super important. Your classification. What you want to do is you want to elect the S corp status as a S corp status for your LLC. So you want to click on this link, download this form, and be sure to fill it out as soon as you get your EIN number. I can put a link in description on why you'd want to do that. Okay, and then why are you doing an EIN? Most likely it's because you're starting a new business. And then you click continue. And then you put in your legal name. Okay, and then the last section is just a series of different classification questions. Once you fill that out, then you're going to get to the next page, which is going to give you an opportunity to download a document with your EIN number. You also get a hard copy in the mail. So next step is once you get that EIN number, you'll get a copy in the mail, but you'll also get a copy from the website. Once you get that, what you want to do is you want to immediately go over to your Secretary of State. I'm going to show you in this example, California. If you have a different state, it's pretty much the same. Just Google SSO, your state name, and the business entity registration. So you got this is how you do in California. Go to this page. You're gonna go on. You're gonna say form of business up, and you create your email, your last name, organization number, and register. Okay, so once you've registered and you're in here, what you want to do is you want to go to forms on the left, and you want to file articles of organization LLC. Okay, now forming, if you're not in California, and you want a California LLC, then you can fill out this one. If you want to convert to a California LLC, you can do this one. But basically, you want to do is this one right here. File online, super easy. Okay, so scroll down, read the fine print, and you agree. Click next step. Okay, next step. So if you have a reserved name, I don't think honestly, reserving a name is completely optional. Um, you don't need to. If you can do a search and check if there is another name for that. Put in your address. Okay, so you put in your address. Um, then agent serves a process. So this is an individual, unless you have someone working for you who's going to be your representative in California. You can do that. Otherwise, you're going to be filling this out for yourself. Okay, next step. Management structure. So, how many managers do you have? You have one manager, just yourself. Great. If you have more than one manager, then you're going to have to fill out additional information for the other person. But let's just, for this example, I'll just put one manager. If you're ready to start business now, put current. Okay, no attachments. Uh, okay, signature, add, test today. Okay. Processing fees. So, this is what you do. If you want to have a certified copy, great. Um, it's $70, Visa or MasterCard only. So you know which option you want. Once you get to this step, you click File Online. There's gonna be a pop up for the payment. You fill out the payment. Once you pay, you're gonna get a hard copy mailed to you, but you're also gonna get an ability to download a PDF of your incorporation papers, and that's super important. Okay, I just want to go through some of the forms that you're going to be getting. So the first one is the IRS SS4. So it's super important. You're going to get this as soon as you fill out your EIN number information. You'll get a hard copy in the mail, but you'll also be able to download it. Um, so on this sheet, you're going to get your employee identification number here. So just make sure you have that. Double check your business name and your address. So that's IRS SS4. Then, like I said, immediately, so you don't forget, fill out Form 2553. This is to elect your LLC as an S Corp. You can check out, I'm going to link in the description a video about why you want to do that. Basically, just fill in your name, your information, the EIN number you just got, today's date, um, the tax year you want to start, all that stuff. Then, obviously, you want to sign it, and then if you have partners, you're gonna have to, have multiple signatures if you have partners, and the percentage of ownerships in here that you list here. And then on page 3, just on this section O, you want to check a new corporation adopting the tax year indicated. So that's what you want to do is for 2553. Once you get that, there's a fax number at the top of the form. Fax it in. Just make sure that's filed as soon as possible. There is a deadline, so you don't want to miss that. So so you don't forget, just go ahead and do that immediately. Lastly, once you file your LLC incorporation at the state of California, you're going to get a hard copy in the mail, but you also get a copy that you can download immediately. It's going to say something like this: statement of information, filed. It's going to have your date filed, your file number. It's going to have all your company name information and mailing address and everything. So that's great. Just keep this handy. You're going to need this form as well as your SS4 to open a business bank account. Thanks so much. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on LLC formation. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. We have some additional videos coming up soon on how to set up a business bank account, how to do payroll, accounting, all kinds of stuff that's really essential to running a business, and some great tips in those areas. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you at our next video.